In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a recorded video from Microsoft Teams. So, if you've been participating in meetings and need to access those valuable recordings later, follow along for a straightforward guide. Let's get started with the first step. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whatever you usually use. Once you have your browser open, it's time to head over to Microsoft Teams. You can do this by typing Microsoft Teams into the search bar of your browser. Once the search results appear, click on the official Microsoft Teams link to open the site. With Teams now open, you'll be prompted to log in. Use your credentials to access your Teams account. It's crucial here to enter your correct email and password to ensure you get into the right Teams environment, especially if you belong to multiple organizations or have several Teams accounts. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll want to navigate to the chat or channel where the meeting was held, which includes the recording you need. Take a moment to locate the conversation or space. It might be within your recent chats, or perhaps a specific team channel. Spend a minute finding the right spot where the video was initially recorded. Next, look for the recording you intend to download. This usually appears as a thumbnail within the chat or channel conversation. In some cases, you might find it under the Recordings folder, which is located in the Files tab of the channel. A little patience might be needed here as you browse through the conversations and files to spot it. Once you've located the video recording, nearby you'll see three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these dots, as this will allow you to see additional options available for this recording file. From the options displayed, select either Open in OneDrive or Open in SharePoint. This will depend on where your organization's files are stored, so choose the one applicable to your setup. Selecting this option will open a new window for you. In this new window, you'll notice a Download button, which is usually placed conspicuously to facilitate ease of access. Click on this button to begin downloading your recording to your local computer. Download times may vary based on your internet connection speed and the size of your video, so be sure to allow a significant amount of time if it's a lengthy recording. And there you have it. You've learned how to successfully download a recorded video from Microsoft Teams. I hope this guide helps you keep track of important meetings and allows you access them at your convenience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful technology tips.